Welcome everyone to our module Gemini 5 Adoption Series. Today, we're diving into Google Video, Google News AI-powered video creation tool that lets everyone make professional-looking videos directly inside Workspace. Uh, I'm Perchalik, customer engineer from Shivaami, and then my partner is Tikun. Also, customer engineer will navigate you through to the process of like a Google Vids. Please let us know if you have any question, or don't hesitate to share it on the chat. Let's start with the what, why, and how. What AI power video creation right inside the workspace. Why? Because the video engaged, but it's time consuming. And how Google Vids make high quality storytelling easy, fast, and secure. Let's put at on this point, right? Video is one of like the most powerful ways to communicate. It grabs attention, drive emotion, boosts understanding, but traditionally it takes a lot of time, tools, and skills to produce. That's the pain point Google did solve, making video creation fast, simple, and accessible for everyone. Here's the reality. Our attention spans are shorter than ever. On average, people only focus on one screen for about like 47 seconds before switching. So as communicators, we've got a tiny window to grab that attention. That's why video matters. Almost every marketer, 96% says video increase understanding of their products or services. Imagine if we apply the same principle inside our teams. Clearer updates, better engagement, fewer misunderstanding. So how can we break through the noise at work? We all juggling emails, chats, meeting. It's overwhelming. Teams need new ways to communicate effectively, and video give us that edge. Video represent a powerful new opportunity for communication at work. Land your message at scale. 80% of employees prefer video announcement from their CEO. Build connection and engagement. It takes about like 30 milliseconds for our brains to start processing faces, break through the noise. In using video in emails leads to 26% higher response rate than the text alone. Creating good videos used to be slow and technical. Now with generative AI, anyone can make impactful video in minutes. No editing degree required. Google Vids brings that superpower straight into workspace. Google Vids helps you unlock the power of video storytelling, and then is now housed within Google Workspace. Alongside with your other productivity and collaboration tools, it helps teams tell story visually, collaborate easily, and publish confidently, all with enterprise-grade security. Google Fits combines generative AI, intuitive design, and with the power of collaboration. It feels like using docs or slides just with the video as the medium. You can brainstorm, create, and share all in one place. Google Fits brings AI-powered video creation to your team with features like Help Me Create and Generative Voiceover. You can easily build engaging, polished video in its intuitive design, similar to docs and slides, promotes seamless collaboration, all within the secure Google Workspace environment. Vids empower your teams to create dynamic video content that resonates with both coworkers and customers. Google Vids unlocks AI-powered video creation that helps employees across your organization tell engaging stories. So how can different teams use it? Learning and development teams can deliver employee training. Customer service can provide better support. Marketing teams can scale their communication with engaging content for internal newsletter. Project management teams can share updates in a way that's both informative and inspiring. And leaders can build connection by sharing company-wide announcement in more personalized way. The how part is now we move from the why to the how. We walk through the complete creation process from concept to export, showing how AI cuts production time, while keeping creative control. Think of this as like democratizing storytelling inside a workspace. Um,
So now I'll
sorry.
head the demo. And thank you, Con, for sharing info why video is important, why we are talking about sharing information across organization. And what is Google Vids? So let's talk about how you would be able to access Google Vids. So as you can see my screen, so from the drive, you can click on the plus new sign and you could go for Google Vids. Another option you have is to go for the nine dots in the top right corner. You can scroll down and see Google Vids icon over here. You can click over there as well. And third option you have is you can just go for vids.new. And here we can see you will be seeing option to create a new video. Similarly, this is something that you guys can use for docs and sheets as well. So I just wanted to share that. Yeah. Yeah. So just type in docs.new and you will be good to go with a new document. Okay. So when we go for vids.new, what we can see is we can see how you can start creating your videos. The last one is that we can see is the blank. You can start from scratch, and there are multiple different options that we can do from here. We can go for VEO 3.1. This is a Google powered AI-based model that would be generating 8-second long AI videos. You can just give your prompt, it would be creating those videos in less than a minute. Next, you have AI avatar. You can start with converting your slides into the Google Vids video. You can record yourself, upload those media from Drive, and you can also select from few templates that we have. You can see we have tens and hundreds of templates over here. If you feel that a particular one is correct for your use case, then you can select one and go for one. So now let's go for storyboard. So what storyboard feature does is that with the prompt, you can create the whole scene for this video creation. So for this demo, we'll cover of creation of marketing video for the grand opening of a sushi-based corner restaurant that's right in the downtown New York. So let me get this prompt. And in the prompt, I've asked to create a short, exciting marketing video for the sushi and some context in the second line, what kind of video I'm expecting, what kind of product I have. Let's go for next. And here we can see we have the outline laid out in front of us. You can scroll through what would be the different scenes in this video. If you think a particular scene, you don't need it, you can just select from here. You can add a new scene in between, or you can just change the heading name of a particular scene. So I think this one is good. And let's select the type of design that we are going to have. So here we have multiple options. Let's go for this one. Let's click on create graph video. So as we know, in Google Slides, for every individual slide, we state it as slide. Every individual slide in this Google Vids is called scene. So here we are. Within 5 seconds, we can see we have a video over here. So here is the layout. On the bottom, you can see the scenes are there. On the main panel, you would be seeing that particular scene. You would be changing the text, video, the layout of the scene. And on the right-hand side, you can see a side panel. So first, let's go to explain what can be done with these scenes. So here, I think the title looks good to me. So let's jump on to next scene. And here we are. So there's a video that was placed by Google Vids. Now, what if I want to replace it? So here you can just click on this icon and you can see we have option to upload it. You can upload it from your device. You can get it from Drive, Photos. You can generate an image, generate an AI video clip. and you can browse it through internet. So let me generate a video for it. Hold on a second. And here we are. So I have this prompt, a steady medium close-up of a master Japanese sushi chef in a traditional uniform. Let's click on generate, and it will be taking close to 30 seconds or so to create those videos. And while we are waiting for it, let me show you what things can be done with this Google Vids. So you can create production videos, product videos, you can create marketing videos. If you want to present any kind of video for your training team, you can give it to them. And here is such a product videos that we have used Google Vids to create those videos, and we have uploaded it in our YouTube page. So you can just use it. I'll just share this link with you guys in meeting chat. And we're almost there. Let's wait for a couple of seconds. And when we talk about sharing this file, you would be having option to download as an MP4. So you can download it in your device and share it directly. Or on the right hand side, you can see option to share. Here you can just write the email ID of the particular person, and then you can share it. You can give them editor access, or you can just give them viewer rights. So here we can see, and I had just given them this prompt to have Google Vids logo behind them. Here we can see. So we'll see this video at the end, where I'll be sharing just one single tap so that we can have that audio functionality for you. So what next do we have? If you want to add more scenes, just click on the bottom hand side. We can see plus. So you can add a new scene over here. Now we have this avatar option. So what you can do is you can have an AI avatar for you, giving those video narrations. And here we have different options for it. So let's go for error and select. Now you can just provide your script, what you want this AI narrator to talk about. And you can just click on preview, and it will be showing a small preview for it. Once you're satisfied with it, just click on generate. And as it says, it might take a few minutes, so we can come back to this scene. Now, what about the transition in between those scenes? So in Google Vids, you can see this small boxes over here. This is how it is showing. So this one is blank. So there would be no transition over here. And this one, we can see it slide. You can change the duration, the direction from which the new slide, the new scene will be coming up into your video. And now let's talk about if you want to go for your product videos, what options do you have? So let's go for record. Let me create a new scene over here. And let's go for record. We go for camera. And here we are. And now you can see on top you have option to record yourself. You can go for camera and screen if you want to go for a product demo as well. You can just record your screen, or you can go for audio. Now the best thing about this audio recording and video recording is that you can have a teleprompter there as well. So let me go there and add a script right over here. So this is a script that I'll be following while trying to record myself. So let's go for record myself. What these are the options that where I can record myself. Let's click on camera. And here we are. So now I can see the notes and record myself and start it. Now, right now you're seeing I'm manually scrolling through the content for this teleprompter. So we have option for manual. You can keep it rolling, so you can adjust the pace through which the content would be rolling through the teleprompter. And finally, we have read along. So it's an AI-based smart feature where it would be tracking the pace of your speech and it would be scrolling through your content. So here we are. Let me present my screen. Yeah. Stop sharing. I'll be sharing just one window. It's grand open now. Mhm. I hope you guys can see my screen. So let's click on it and let's play it. Let's play it from here.
We're doing things differently here. This isn't just another sushi spot, it's an experience crafted by a true master. Our head chef, a professional sushi master from Japan, brings years.
Similarly, you can see the video. Where is it? And then secondly, I think I've lost it. That's okay. So one more feature that Google Vids gives us is to copy paste those videos from one Vids to another. So let me create one over here and paste it. Yeah, right over there. So this is just another video that I created with the same prompt.
As a master of precision, I appreciate tools that simplify the complex. That is why I recommend Google Vids. It is
And this is how you can create Google Vids video easily. You have AI avatar for you. You can create videos, sorry, AI-based videos that you can generate. And finally, let's talk about audio. What about audio? So on the bottom hand side below each scene, we are seeing this one long audio. So that would be the background music that AI generated for me. I have option to remove it. And when I click on it, you can see I can change the volume. I can also update how the audio would be transiting in between those scenes. So you can see we have option for fade in, fade out. And you can just right click on it and delete it if you don't want it. Now, what about syncing those audios with the scene? So we have option of dragging those audios just to make sure you have the best feel and you have the content of video and audio in proper sync. And finally, I was talking about sharing those videos. So on clicking on file, you have option to export it to Drive. You can download it as MP4, and finally you can share it from here. So you can give restricted access, you can just give viewers access or editors access. So that was it for the demo.
Nikunj,
And
we have
now,
a question from Janet.
yes, let me take a look.
Oh, thanks. I wanted to see, because you were just showing, like, I see all these clips put together, but what does the transition look like from like one clip to the other? I just want to
Yeah,
see how smooth the transition looks.
yeah, sure. So let me play it for you.
Get ready, New York City. A new culinary experience is about to arrive in downtown NYC. Feel the pulse of downtown NYC as we introduce a fresh new spot to your vibrant neighborhood.
We're doing things
So for this transition, we had set it as slide. Let's make it for fade. Let's do it again. And one thing what you can do is you don't have to play the video again and again. So just start from here. This frame looks good. Play.
It's a fresh new spot to
We're
your
doing
vibrant
things
neighborhood.
differently here. This isn't just another sushi.
Got
If you
it.
think, yeah, now if you think that this video is overlapping, you can just squeeze it on that particular scene and you can make it feel more better.
Okay, great.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you very much, everyone, for attending. Have a great day.